I'm recording the big snowstorm, the second big snowstorm of the winter of 2009-10. Today is February 6th, and we're in the middle of this storm right now. I'm standing at the outside door of our villa at Whitehorse Village. This is V197, and the view is looking out at Damascus Court. It's 9:45 in the morning, and the snow is expected to continue until about 3 or 4 this afternoon. And I'm estimating that the snowfall must already be maybe as much as 15 to 20 inches. Right now the wind isn't blowing very hard, so that you don't notice that it's blizzard conditions, but sometimes when a gust comes by, it's almost a whiteout. So it's pretty impressive. And this is the second storm of this sort that we've had this winter. The first one being in December, just a little bit before Christmas. The flakes are still very, very big, and it's still snowing very hard, as you can see. And the prediction is that it won't stop until 3 or 4 this afternoon. So maybe it's going to be a new all-time record. I heard on TV a little earlier that it's already set a new record in Philadelphia, in the sense that 2 snowstorms of this magnitude in one winter has never occurred before. Here, I'll zoom in on that to show you. Skip has just come by in the snowplow. They're starting to plow, and you can sort of see that he's having a little trouble getting it going. Whoops, there he goes. He's going to have to back up a little, I'm afraid, and get a run shot. Oops. Okay, there he goes. Boom. As you can see, it's still snowing, and it's not clear at all that when it's going to stop. I guess they say late afternoon or mid-afternoon. And as you can see, the snow is now up to within about a foot of the top of the fence. We just finished walking up to the clubhouse, and so I took a bunch of still photos up there. And the snow seems to have stopped finally. So that's it. The big snowstorm of February 6, 2010. Certainly the biggest I've seen in recent years. Well, here I am again. Today is Wednesday, February 10th at 4 o'clock, and you can see that it's sort of a whiteout right now at Damascus Court. This is the third blizzard of the 2009-2010 season, and you can see that this one is adding a lot of snow to to what we had over this past weekend. Out there you can see just the very tip of my bird bath sticking up. Those fences are about 3.5 to 4 feet high, and they're almost now. We've already set a new record for the most snowfall in 1 year in the Philadelphia area. Out there you can see Ed Gross's car. I shoveled him out the other day and asked him, told him that he didn't have to pay me anything as long as he voted Democratic. He said, "Put the snow back." Well, I'm out again. The storm is obviously over, and as you can sort of see, the White Horse Village maintenance staff has been incredible in already shoveling the walks and getting the highways clear, but the piles are unbelievable. Top of the bird feeder there is about 6 feet off the ground, and I hope they haven't damaged my tree. You can see that the piles are probably about 8 or 9 feet high. You can see how high these piles are. You can see that when you walk now, it's sort of like going in a canyon. The snow is piled so high on the various sides of the pathways. In some places the snow is above the level of the fences, which are about 3 feet high. That's the pile at the end of the parking lot near Damascus, and you can see that the pile is about 12 feet high. They still have a lot of snow to remove in this area. That's looking down behind the villas on the end of Damascus Court, and you can see that in the places where the snow is drifted, it's up almost to the top of the fences. So now I'm walking back towards Damascus Court.